Welcome to Study Loop.
To construct a confidence interval for the population mean time to complete the U.S. Census forms, we can use the t-distribution since the sample size is small and the population standard deviation is not known. So first we need to find the sample mean and the sample standard deviation. The sample mean would be adding up the six samples, 33, 45, 22, 88, 27, and 39, and divide by 6. And this will calculate to 42.33. And then the sample standard deviation is the square root of the sum of the difference between the values in the mean squared divided by n minus 1. So that would be 33 minus 42.33 squared plus 45 minus 42.33 squared plus 22 minus 42.33 squared plus 88 minus 42.33 squared plus 27 minus 42.33 squared plus 39 minus 42.33 squared over 5, and it's the square root of all of that. So that should calculate to 23.83. So next we need to find the t-value for a 95% confidence level with 5 degrees of freedom, because that's one less than the sample size. And using a t-distribution table or a calculator, we find the t-value to be 2.571. Look that up in the t-table with degrees of freedom of 5. And so finally we can calculate the confidence interval using the formula CI for confidence interval equals the sample mean plus or minus the t-value times the standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. So we take our sample mean, 42.33, I don't know what to round to here, I'm just going to go to 2 places. Plus or minus 2.571 times the standard deviation of 23.83 over the sample size of 6, the square root of 6. And so the lower boundary will be found from subtracting 42.33 minus 2.571 times 23.83 over the square root of 6, which is 17.32, to the upper boundary and adding, which is 67.34. And so we can be 95% confident that the true proportion mean time to complete the U.S. Census forms is between 17.32 and 67.34 minutes.